Our recipe today, utilizing our secret ingredient, is going to be pineapple shrimp scallop skewers. So we're going to go ahead and start putting these bad boys together. Now that we got everything skewered up, we're going to season it with our Crispy's Mango Habanero. Now let's go throw these on the Traeger. Now that we got our skewers on the grill, we're going to mix up a little bit of drink with the leftovers of our secret ingredient. We just pulled these amazing pineapple shrimp scallop skewers off the grill. So let's go ahead and dive in and enjoy.